Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here. In TKMaths is fun. In today's video, I will explain to you a concept of function notation, which is a part of the syllabus of O-level mathematics. And it's a very basic and simple concept. I have written a challenging question, but definitely those who do not get it, it's a challenge for them. Otherwise, it is an easy question. So before we begin, you can see on the top my website address, tkmaths.com, and blog address. In the blog, you can go and find all my videos I have made so far free. And on the website, I offer online help. I offer checklist for exam preparation, things like this. So do visit, you will find it useful. So let's begin with the question. Question I have taken from June 11, variant 11, question 20. So two functions are given to you. You know this is the notation of writing function. Name is h of x. X is representing the variable present in the function. So 2x minus 5. And g of x is equals to 3 divided by x minus 2. So you have to find out h of 4. Now here x is representing this value. So first of all, you need to understand this x in function language is called domain. The value you substitute here is called domain. And the answer you get from here is called range. So when you will get the answer from here, it is called range, the value of y. So this is the language of function. So h of 4 mean in this function, because the name of this function is h, in place of x, write down 4. So it will become 2 multiplied by 4 minus 5. You see, in place of x, this means 2 multiplied by x. So 2 multiplied by 4 minus 5. So you get the answer 3. So this is h of 4. Next part of the question is saying, find out g inverse x. This is the symbol of inverse, minus 1 inverse. So there is a technique to do it, how to figure it out. The first step is put this function equals to y, right? So you see, I have put the function equals to y. Y is equals to 3 divided by x minus 2. After that, you have to manipulate it such that you can make x a subject. So what I'm doing, I'm cross multiplying. X minus 2 will go here, y will come here. And you must know the logic of this, how it happens. I have to make x a subject. So I will take 2 minus 2 to the other side. So now when I will take 2 to the other side, it will become plus 2. So first step was put the function equals to y. Second step is make x a subject. I have done here. And third step is replace x by y and y by x. There are 3 steps. So now I will replace x by y and y by x. So now the function I got here, 3 over x plus 2, this is my inverse function of g. So g inverse x is equals to 3 over x plus 2, right? I will do one more question in which I will repeat all these steps again. Now part C of the question is find out t such that h of t is equals to g of 3. Now what is given to you in the question? You are given h of x. Why? Because the x is your domain right now. So question is saying h of t. So it means in place of x you will write t. T here, t here. And g of 3 mean where you have x in function g, you will write 3. So this is what we will do here. I have written 2t minus 5. And because it is saying g of 3, so I'm writing 3 divided by x minus, 3 minus 2. Because question is saying they are equal to each other, so that's why I have equated them. Right? And after that, I will simply solve it. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 1, right? 2 multiplied by t is 2t minus 5. So 5 will go on the other side, manipulation of the formula. So you will make t a subject and it will become 8 divided by 2. So t is 4. Now one question is not asked here, but that is quite oftenly asked in the exam. So I said, why not explain here only with the help of this question. If question says, find out the value of x such that h of x is equals to g of x. I'm repeating, if question says, find out x such that h of x is equals to g of x. Then you will equate two functions which are given to you, h of x and g of x. And then after that, so this is your function h and this is your function g. So now you will solve it, cross multiplication, and then you will open the bracket, just like removing the bracket. It's basic thing, all of you know. So you will get a quadratic equation here. Okay, after getting a quadratic equation, you know how to factorize it, just in which we call middle term breakup. So now you will do that. 7 to the 14, minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. You will get factors, and now one is coming x minus 1, another is 2x minus 7. They are equal to 0. So your answer will be this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So one value of x is 1, other value of x is 7 upon 2, right? So this is the way you handle such questions. Let's see one more question, easy one, just for the sake of repetition, so that you can remember it. Now this function is given to you and you have to find the value of f of minus half. It simply means in place of x substitute minus half, right? In place of x, here and here, and then multiply it. Plus multiply by minus is minus. 3 ones are 3 upon 2. So then when you simplify, you get 7 upon 2. Again, it is saying find the inverse function. So what technique I told you? There are 3 steps. Number 1, put the function equals to y. Then make x a subject. Okay, then make x a subject. So I'm taking 5 here, and then I will divide by 3. After making x a subject, what was the third step? You remember? Replace x by y and y by x, right? So what you are getting is your inverse function. Achha, one concept building I want to do here, which is very interesting. It is not in the question, but I think if you're studying function and inverse function, you should understand that. Now let's see what is that. Function was given to you 5 plus 3x. An inverse function you found was x minus 5 upon 3. You know what is the connection between them? Let's see the connection with the help of number substitution in it. Then I will conclude the connection, okay? Otherwise, I can tell you directly also, but let's see it through working. If I substitute here f of 2, okay? So let's see left hand side first. Okay, so if I substitute f of 2, the domain is 2, value of x, which I will substitute here as well. I'm just taking it randomly, any value. If you want to take some other value, you can. Choice is yours, right? I'm just trying to prove one point here. So I got the answer 11. So domain is 2, range is 11, right? So I can say my point is 2, 11. Now, in the inverse function, if you substitute 11, your answer should come to if the inverse function is correct, right? This is what I want to show you here. So when I substituted x 11 minus 5 divided by 3, I got 2. And this is what I was saying. Okay, in the inverse function, your domain become range and range become domain. So you see, shift of this interchange. So this tells you that you have found correct inverse function. So this is I wanted to tell you. You don't need to prove it every time you show it. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, learn something from it, press like and subscribe button, bell icon, and share it with your friends. Once again, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.